Hey everyone, Branden Bodendorfer. I'm back with another video today, and today we're going to talk a lot about how to get the most out of your week. One thing that's been really exciting about developing this planner is you guys, the community, the followers, the users of the Key2Success Planning System. Now, over the last year, in 2019, that was the first year that we actually made this planner available for everyone to purchase and download and use. So throughout the year, I got a lot of feedback, and that really helped design the 2020 planner, which I hope everybody's enjoying here in their first few weeks of 2020. We are starting the process of designing the 2021 planner. So guys, please hit the comments, visit the website, chat with us. Tell us what it is that you want to see in the planning system to make your days more effective. But one of the things that came out late this fall was I had a lady reach out to me and she said, Branden, she goes, I so much believe in your daily key 3 and I use it every day and I feel like I'm making traction in my success and reaching the goals that I have. She said to me that there's some days I go into the day and my whole day is blocked off, and as I'm going through my pre-flight for today, I just can't find the time to make those accomplishments happen. And I've experienced that too. Matter of fact, today is one of those days, and throughout this year, I really want you guys to get to know me and get to realize that I'm just an average person, just like you, trying to make it work in this life and just have a family and have a career and just have my own ambitions. So today I'm going to kind of take you through my journey and show you some of the things that I'm doing. Today we're going to be doing some drone photography. We're going to be educating police departments on how to use drones and just kind of going through a planning session on some of the marketing work that we're doing for customers. And so I have these same days that you do where I just can't block off the time to really take the energy that's needed to kind of hit 3 major accomplishments for today. So when I looked at this problem, I said, well, as an individual, how do I want to overcome that? And what that led to is us redesigning the weekly planning sheet. So if you guys are looking at the weekly planning sheet, you're going to notice now on the right side, there is an add a view look for that planning page. Now, a lot of people tell me all the time, this is my primary page. I use this to see my entire week. It's where I establish my goals. It's where I put my task in order and really just kind of help focus in on what I want to do. That's truly okay. But what that add a view week was really designed to do, and it's not duplication of work, because some people even tell me from time to time, well, Branden, I write it in the add a view and then I have to go to the daily page and put it in there. It's not a means of duplication. It's a means of maximizing your productivity for the week. So as I go through the week there and I'm looking at what my goals are and what some of the tasks that are on my plate, I put in my pre-assigned meetings, the things that are in my life. If it's something with the children, something that the wife and I have planned, an appointment or a meeting at work, or maybe it's just me getting away. I put that all in there, and then I look at the space around it and say, what do I have available for time? And those are the blocks of time where you really want to do an amazing job and go to those daily days during the week and maximize your key 3. And that's where you need to hone in. So what's happening is we're kind of working in a block system with that weekly add a view. You're putting your blocks of commitments that you're going into the week, and then you're designating blocks of time that you have to really focus on the priorities that matter to you in your life to accomplish those goals. So guys, as you're planning this next week and you're getting ready to kind of move to that next week in January, really take a few minutes, look at that weekly plan, look at the commitments that you have in front of you, write those out in a block pattern, and then utilize the space that's available to really plug in those things that matter most and those daily key 3 that you want to focus on each and every day to reach those goals that you have that are part of your annual plan. So like I said, one thing I want to do is I kind of want to showcase a little bit about who I am and what I do. So I'm going to take you through my day a little bit, follow along. First thing we're doing is we're going to be doing some aerial photography and video and writing a story about a business that's moving a huge piece of equipment that they manufactured in my hometown, and it's going to Canada. So if you guys are from Canada, this is coming up by you. But one thing that we do, and I've been doing for a number of years, is helping businesses tell their story. You know, we do such a good job in life doing work and being productive. Sometimes we forget to tell our own stories. And that's one thing I really value, is being able to take businesses and the different things that they're doing, the different things that they're innovating in their life, and help tell their story. So we're going to help tell their story. So kind of stay with me.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Now, throughout all those experiences today, guys, this hasn't been a day that I've been able to accomplish a lot of individual goal planning actions that I've had, but I've been able to make things happen throughout the day through connections, showcasing who we are and what we do. And sometimes when you have to look at goal planning, you sometimes have to look at the tasks that are in front of you and how do you make them part of your plan. The meetings that you're setting, the activities that you're doing, do they fit into your annual goals? Are they things that are going to help you win space and marketplace with your annual goals? Are they things that are going to help you learn and educate yourself or others on what it is that you're doing or trying to accomplish? If you can answer yes to that, then I think you're on the right path, even if you have days that are entirely packed with events and activities. As long as they fit into your overall vision, it means you're moving in the right direction. Because sometimes when we have goals and we have plans, it means we end up creating more activities and more things that we have to do, and that's all part of our journey. So guys, if you like what we're doing and you like this planner and you just want to continue to be a part of this, go ahead, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, follow us, hit that bell for notification if you want to get the latest updates, and by all means, subscribe to our Facebook and newsletter that we send out here as often as we try to do. We try to make sure the information is worthy of your guys' time, because we know we're all busy just trying to accomplish things you want in life. I'm Branden Bodendorfer. Thank you for following me, and I will see you guys soon.